I want to thank Tammy and everyone that has done this collaboration with this mystery box challenge. Thank you very much, Tammy, for inviting me. Her channel is Happy Create. So please look at everyone's playlist. I'd really appreciate it.
All
Thank you,
right,
and you
I
guys
want
all
to
have a
thank
wonderful holiday. Bye bye.
Lisa for sending me all these nice goodies. I decided to pick a few things that she had that maybe I can create something out of it. I'm not really a floral person, so I really didn't know what to do with certain things. But I'm going to work with what I have, and I do have some extra things that I can add to this. So I like this. This will be cute. I'm going to make it sort of more Easter-like. These, I'm not really sure, but I like them. And then I have this, and the bunnies, and the basket. And I have a few things that I'm going to add. Hold on one second, please. As you see, I have a few other things I can add. Trying to figure out what I can do and what I can make with this. Don't really care for that. I like the white part of this, but let's get some Mod Podge. Robin. And this is Coco. This is our 50th cut. Please like and subscribe to our channel. We'd really appreciate it. Please comment below. That way she don't have to do this no more.
Okay, I'll put